Good evening, everyone. This is Vedic Astrology here to deal with the air trine. Now, again, I've already uploaded my earth and fire trines. The air trine consists of Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and as I said before in my previous videos for Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, that this is just going to be a short, precise reading. We're just getting back into things. We are just giving that second chance or all or fill. And this is a new genome. It's a new genome for most of us. It's a new genome for persons who have been given a second chance, an opportunity to move forward into greater things. And this is what air is all about: movement. It's subtle, it's active, it's flexible. So here we go. Let us see past, present, and future. Knight of Pentacles, the Empress, and Two of Wands. And we just had the Empress in the reading for the Earth Trine, who had a very good reading, the Earth Trine. And now we have the Air Trine, the Knight of Pentacles. And the Knight of Pentacles is all about somebody who has patience, somebody who has, or who you can be, who you can count on, a reliable person, somebody who does the hard work. And there we have the gentleman. Instead of riding the horse, which will be the easiest thing to go on his journey, he's walking, he's leading the horse. So he is somebody who has patience. Probably the horse is tired, probably the horse is acting up, but he has had a lot of patience in the past. He has done the hard work. He has been that reliable, that foundation, that stable person. And if that was you, you are now moving. You are now moving in what the Empress signifies. And the Empress signifies pregnancy, fertility, stability, abundance. The Empress is all knowing. You know, she's ruler. She is the stability in the home. She is the person who has the good parenting, who's the disciplinarian. She has all those attributes now that are with you, air sign. So with your patience, with your hard work, you have now come into the abundance, and probably what you wished for, that child or some child in your life, is coming to you in a different way. And you know, I spoke to Taurus in terms of the water on their shoulders, their burden that they're carrying. It's just emotions, but this stability from the past is going to straighten those shoulders for you. Or emotions won't weigh you down. Emotions wouldn't stress you out like they probably did to the Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn trine. Because of your past, because of your patience, of your hard work, you are going to deal with all the abundance in a particular way. You are going to probably circulate around it, move around it, look at it from all angles. You know, you are going to be dynamic. You are not going to be restless. You might be restless in the way that, okay, I can't move quick enough. I need to look at this in a particular way. This abundance that is coming to me. You know, the moon is shining. Mother Earth is looking after me. Because in the future, the Two of Wands signifies that you have the world at your feet, but you have choices to make. You have choices to make. You have a map of some things that you want to achieve, but you probably don't know how to go about it because you are a hard worker. You are a patient person. You are a step-by-step person. You're not rushing into anything. You are not the Knight of Wands. You are the Knight of Pentacles. And Pentacles denote stability, foundation, strong strength. You know, that square, that four pillars that you need to work with, so that you are very methodical. Even though you are the air trine, and because the air trine is always moving, it's value. You know, it's your skin, it's your touch, how people see you, how you deal with things. If somebody touch you, do you, you know, jerk back, or do you accept that touch? Are you very open to new things? Are you very nervous? Do you scare easily? With that patience, you are going to deal with the air in a dynamic way. You are going to deal with it. It might be a little invisible because air, we really cannot see air, we can feel air. So when the air touches your skin or your, your any part of your body, you feel it. That's the only time you feel air, when the breeze is blowing, when the wind is howling at you, when a fan is on, when the air conditioner is on, when somebody's speaking to you loudly, when somebody's speaking to you, that you see their breath. If it's cold, if it's hot, you can feel it. So you can feel emotions through the skin. That is why you are air trine. You are always flexible. You can deal with things, but your past here has been very stable. You have abundance in the present, but you have to make a choice in the future. And your abundance here, how you deal with the present, your abundance in the present is going to speak to you about your future and that choice you have to make. This is the world at your feet, but you are not looking at what is in the feet. You are looking past. You are looking beyond. So this is what is your choices for now, air trine.